even if he talks about Baganda politicians were blocking it Mengo, not because they love Mengo. The purpose was to hoodwink Baganda peasants to get their votes for Baganda issues. This man soloed the federal, because I call him a Muoza, a revenue collector in a public market, or the Minister of Butter Trade. As long as Mengo is factor, is completely out of this election, even if you talk about Rolls Royce. Why? Because we own vehicles. We own vehicles. If in 19, because a Rolls Royce was a sign of luxury. When many Baganda were going naked, many Baganda did not have iron sheets on their roofs. Yes. Many Baganda were not educating their children. This is when Mutesa bought an expensive car. And he gave what they leave out, that he even provided the description. Mutesa said, Montereko esanga ku bonnet. That's why Sanga Liambogo. Sanga Liambogo tediriyo. The ivory of a buffalo is not there. But Mutesa was a hunter. Now, we have now got an opportunity of telling our children the poverty problem in Uganda. Mutesa was like Zarias. How many leaders on the African continent who owned the Rolls Royce? And how many schools would we get from the money that was spent on that old Damashako? How many? How come that even Obote refused to use it? Very expensive. So, it has helped us, the historians, to tell our children the reason why Buganda was underdeveloped. As Baganda were going naked, Baganda were eating the rich ones, people were going barefooted without shoes. Many people could not afford the necessities. Mutesa was driving a Rolls Royce. Even the government of Uganda, we could not buy a Rolls Royce for body. Why? Very expensive. At that time, there were only 3 people on the African continent, leaders, who were driving and owning a Rolls Royce, as Baganda called it. The Asante, who has oil, the man in Ethiopia, and Mutesa. Only 3. This is why, this explains why there is no mention of money that was grabbed from Buganda's coffers when Obote took over the government. Because among the Biafra there is no money. Which means Mutesa lived a very luxurious life. Mengo waji wuli dekonge ganti ku nkuluze ya Buganda kwa akaunti ya Buganda. Ya nti Obote yababba sente. Tikwaliko sente bali bazibbi. Luxuries. Hey, this is what he explains.
Yes, chitegezense eri wakakwa Buganda. Neka kati bagamba.
Uyu mwana yajigeyo. Uyu mwana to do what? Take it to the museum.
Watch it.
They cannot even manage to repair that car.
Is this by parts of the child?
That was not the only ivory tower, the only expensive thing. When Baganda we are not eating 2 meals a day. When Baganda we are going to benefit barefooted. When Baganda we are using Yenshishira, they could not buy any sheets. Amatagula agokulango galaba. They are made from oil. These are not clay. And when the original ones, when they burnt, they were melting. You cannot have a tegula that melts. And they found out that the manufacturers were no longer in production because nobody could buy. This is the second example on how Buganda money was wasted.
Mukulutamali, entiti n'obwaka kwa Buganda oli mu bunnyonnyola lwaki kwabadde beebuuza nti okuza emmotoka ezo kitegeeza ki eri wakaka bwa Buganda?
No, do we want ono anoonya kunyagirawo bantu ssente. Because the moment the moment you talk about luxury, the moment you remember a car, I always tell people that our economy is like sharing a rabbit. When you are sharing a cow, okujjukira eyatuta omutwe, it can take you 2 days genyama eweddewo. Kakati in the cases where government is returning things to Buganda ebyaffe. By the time it turns a vehicle, these are things that can be turned. They were not considered important. Mayiga is confirming that China Chabanja government. Mayiga tumukubire ko mungalo. Mayiga Jew. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Mm-mm.
There was a catalog of demands from the Buganda to the central government. Now that they are talking about the vehicle, why was this vehicle not considered when Kabaka had just arrived and had no transport? So, kati biweddeyo omusajja atukoledde banaye Museveni atukoledde omusajja kati kyasiga kati okuddayo agenda kujjayo gear box kati bagenda mutwala mu Ministry of Works ajeyo gear box aweddeyo kati tekyayina kyabanja Museveni tumukubireko mu ngalo.
Sabya Buganda abimaze.
Museveni asasudde ebya Buganda ne Ramusako yali terebekako luli naye agijeeyo.
Babinonyereza nga mutali ebulayo.
Kakati asigalidde muwerekera omulenzi ono kujjayo gear box.
Motoka dometambule.
Ajeeyo box. Takyayina kyabanja Museveni.
Katana mubanja.
Kitegeeza takyayina kyamubanja. Omusajja asasudde ebintu byonna.
Byonna biweddeyo.
Yes.
Government ya Buganda.
If your house catches fire, what items do you think of first? Your children and wife. The others will acquire them. Then once you remove the children, then you think about the beddings. Kakati twasooka na mbiri nezigwayo. Netuje ne federal n'agitujjirayo omulenzi oyo ne federal yagijjayo. Kakati kyabadde asigalidde mu kulonda kuno nga tulinda ekinene nnyo ekinaaveewa President Museveni. Museveni yagenza okutunya naga nti ne kiramusaako kyammwe kikino mukitwale mulimu emisota ebintu byammwe biweddeyo. Museveni tumukubirika. And the winner is Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Wewa.
Tebakyayina kye babanja. Olaba bajjukidde ne Ramusako eri mu garage nga yona alowooza mbu ajja gibbirako abantu mbu bagikanike. Gundi tuyina emmotoka abamu tusukka ne mu 10 eyo Ramusako oba omuzungu waddirira ekintu laga kigende mu museum. You create a Buganda museum naye mbu bajja gibo nga Kabaka adda mu Gogolo naye bannange ekiri mu mutwe gw'omulenzi ono kiki. Kabaka adde mu kimotoka ekikadde naye anakiwa insurance muyinza n'okunoonya sipeeya nga yaggwayo dda.
Nange kubanga ebya Buganda
omanyi kampuni ekola Rolls Royce
sigimanyi
anti yekola ne gundi inginiza Boeing ekola ebintu bibiri mu nsi. Yes, and those Rolls Royces bazikola 20 they are bought by Arab gundi abawarabu ba kings ate abawarabu tebagula nkadde kuteeka mu sipeeya mukadde bagula mpya. Kati ono abadde ayagala kutufera naye Museveni alina omukisa. Omusajja agenza okutunulatunula nga kyasigazizzaayo ekisanyusa abantu mu kalulu kyekimotoka ekyasigalira. Museveni tumukubireko mu ngalo. Ebintu bya Buganda byonna abimazeeyo ekibadde kisigaddeyo kyekigogolo. Omukulu yatujjiddeyo kigogolo teyajjeyo yajjeyo kigogolo. Ani akyagala kigulira ani amata. Kakati uniform ya Muteesa eriwa gye yadduka nayo ati kyembabuulira. Do you people think about a museum? Naye kati ani amanyi emmundu ya Museveni gyeri yagenda nayo mu nsiko? Ani amanyi engatto gye yasooka okwambala? Ani amanyi uniform gyagenda yayambala ng'alayira? Uyinza obbibabuuza kakati abatuwalizimu nga tebalina tourism and antiquities nga tewali kyebalina bakiwanda.
Nanti Kiwanda awandula ebya Buganda.
Kinkubuulira nti Kiwanda yadduka ku mmotoka ya Beni Kiwanuka manya ku nnyumba nga bagimaze. We would have a law. These things must be protected. Kati ennyumba kyali badde mu budget. Wano baleeta abakyayina ababbi era baagala kubba Nambole ne bagamba Nambole yeetaaga kuba baagala kati baleese mamerito bajja batta abantu nedda. Kakati ekyennakivubo kyabalema lwaki is an antiquity. An antiquity means Nakivubo War Memorial. It was a gift from the British government because of our contribution to World War II. Many Ugandans don't know that Britain borrowed the money here 400,000 pounds from the Uganda government. Mengo gave them, lent them 100,000 pounds. And this money enabled the British government to buy a warship called Uganda. It even saw service in the Falkland War. Kakati, after the war, appreciating the Uganda contribution, the British donated us a National War Memorial. That's why this young man is not taking it. He's in a partnership with the government because it's an antiquity. But Mbabazi brought to people here, Mbaba Kolewo plots, Amugago Musiru now. No, I said this is an antiquity. It can even change after consulting the British government. Kati abemmengo nabo olwa sente zabwe emitwalo gya paundi 10 gye bawera Bungereza baba waamu kiri ekyegende wankulukuku ne badya sente ne bazibba ne bagamba tutangira tutya omupiira nga kabaka asula bweru mu mmuli ne bakwata sente ne bazimba eyo perimeter wall eyo wankulukuku
wewa banaffe bana Flashlight channel mwebale tuuliriza mwebale kutwagala ebyo bigambo bya mukukunavu tamale mirundi era nga bituwa basitegeezeza nti no buli week abyogerako atuwa summary ekibaddeyo mu week n'atunyonyola n'atutegeeza n'ebintu ebisaana bwe bityo.